We will now discuss the most common areas of the program. You may or may not have all of the areas based on the level of Wilcom that you have. The first part of the program layout that we're going to discuss is the title bar found at the top of the program, the blue bar running the entire length of the program. It displays three distinct pieces of information: the level of Wilcom that you have purchased and installed, the design that is currently visible in your work area, and the machine that is set up for this particular design. The menu bar provides access to program commands through a series of drop-down menus. An arrow next to a command indicates that there are further drop-down commands to be viewed. Note that the hotkeys associated with a command are also listed in the drop-down menus. The Universal Toolbar is a new addition to version e1.5. This new toolbar provides quick transition to and from CorelDRAW and Wilcom. Use the graphic mode icon to switch over to CorelDRAW. Once you are complete with your drawing task in CorelDRAW, use the embroidery mode icon to transition back to Wilcom. The Generate Stitches toolbar contains commands such as Generate Stitches, Branching, Auto Start and End, and more. The standard toolbar is named that for just that reason. It's standard on all levels of Wilcom and possesses commands such as New, Open, Save, Print, Send to Machine, Cut, Copy, Paste. The View toolbar controls the various views and functions of Wilcom, such as showing stitches, turning on and off outlines, showing connectors and functions, turning the grid on and off, rulers on and off, turning the bitmap image or vector image on and off, employing some of the dockers such as your color object list or your stitch list, and others. The Stitch Type toolbar is used to select between different stitch types such as satin stitches, tatami fills, zigzags, motif fills, and others. The Stitch Effect toolbar is used to assign stitch effects to embroidery objects such as auto underlay, pull compensation, stitch shortening, and others. The Styles toolbar has three areas: Copy and apply current properties, a list of your 10 favorite styles, and a drop-down list for quick access to all styles on your system. The toolbox is found on the left-hand side of the design window and is primarily used for creating new objects. If there's a triangle in the bottom right corner of a tool, this would indicate that there's a flyout that will provide additional access to similar functions. The Arrange toolbar by default is found in the upper area of the design window. I prefer to place it at the bottom so it doesn't get lost in all the other toolbars. It contains commands such as Group, Ungroup, Lock, Unlock, Align Left and Right, and many others. The Transformation toolbar is another toolbar by default that's located at the top of your design window that I prefer to place towards the bottom. It contains transformation tools such as Mirror, Vertical and Horizontal, Rotate, and others. The Color Palette toolbar has four distinct areas: the Colorway drop-down list, the Display Options icon, the thread positions used in the design, and the section for controlling thread options. The Status bar provides quick access to information such as stitch count and more. The Prompt bar provides information on the next step of the current process. The General Properties area provides the current grid position or size of the selected objects. This area also allows repositioning or resizing of the selected object or objects. The Docker toolbar is found on the right-hand side of your design window and may contain dockers such as Color Palette Editor, Concept Share, Color Object List, and Object Properties. Mouse over a Docker tab for the Docker to reveal itself. If you wish for the Docker to remain visible for an extended period of time, turn off the Auto Hide feature. Rulers provide both a vertical and horizontal on-screen measuring tool. Guides may be created by clicking in either of these rulers.